Welcome! If you've been missing out on Snapchat's creative effects updates, you're definitely not alone. Snapchat regularly rolls out fun new lenses, filters, and effects, but if notifications aren't turned on, you might never even know they're there. The good news is, enabling these notifications takes less than a minute, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're on the main camera screen, look up to the top left corner. You'll see your Bitmoji or profile icon there. Tap on it to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your settings menu. Tap on that to open all your Snapchat settings. Once you're inside settings, scroll down a little until you find the option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Snapchat, so you can customize exactly what you want to stay updated on. Inside the Notifications menu, look for an option called Creative Effects. This is the setting that controls whether Snapchat notifies you about new and trending lenses, filters, and creative tools. If the box next to Creative Effects isn't checked yet, simply tap it to enable